We're back with another video. What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about how to install the Facebook Pixel on your website, both Showit and WordPress, so you can start tracking your website visitors and see what they're doing. It's kind of like spying. So if you like spying or you're curious or like seeing what people are doing, then this is the video for you. I'm Joe with Dana Joe & Co. We're an educational brand for photographers. We help you grow your business by basically sharing everything we've learned over the past 7 years as photographers, wedding photographers in particular. And we created a Facebook group that's free. Come on over, join us. We talk about marketing and we have a community of photographers over there to help you grow your business. And it's just cool to share ideas and kind of see where you guys are at in your business, because I'm always learning things too. All right. So if you don't have a Facebook Pixel installed, stop what you're doing today, take 5 minutes and get it installed. It really does not take that long. I'm going to show you how to do it because I know a lot of creatives use Showit, and then for you who use WordPress, I'm going to show you how to do that as well, the simple way. And then I'm going to show you exactly why the Facebook Pixel is important to have, okay? So let me share my screen real quick, and we're going to dive right on in. All right, so Facebook Pixel, if you're not using a Facebook Business Manager yet, you'll need to set that up before you do this. So you just, type in business.facebook.com, I believe it is, or just Google it. It'll be the first thing that pops up. Just type in Facebook Business Manager. Get that set up in your page, connected with your account, and then you'll be ready to rock. Because if you're running ads, or if you intend on running ads in the future, the way to do that is through the Business Manager. So it's just good to have set up. All right. So in the back end, you'll know that you're in Business Manager because the top bar will be like a slate blue, which is different from the traditional blue of Facebook. And then, depending on what tab you are, it'll probably have you under the Business Manager tab. If you see this little hamburger menu, if you click this and come over to Events Manager, underneath you're going to see Pixels. So if I click that, it's going to show my account, and it's going to show all the active pixels that I currently have. If you've never installed one before, this should be, it shouldn't say anything. So it should be blank. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click Add New Data Source, Facebook Pixel. Why is it not going to let me do it? Here, let me go to a different page. Let's go to my Messenger Marketing page. All right, let's give it a shot. So add new data source, Facebook Pixel, right? So once you do that, name it so that it's easily recognizable to you. So, it'd be like XYZ name photography website, right? You can put the URL in here. I'm not sure what that does. I always leave it blank. Hit continue. So it's going to give you 3 options. The one that we're going to use is manually add the pixel code. Code is scarier than it is. It's really not that big of a deal. What you're going to do is actually copy this. So hit copy. Okay, so boom, you're going to copy that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come in here. This is for my WordPress users. So it says install it into the header of your website. So you can go into the back end and find your theme and find where the header is and switch up the files and do all that stuff. However, the thing I love about WordPress is there's pretty much a plugin for everything. And the plugin that I use is called Insert Headers and Footers. So you'll find that plugin, you'll get it installed, and then you'll go under Settings, Insert Headers and Footers, and then what you're going to do is you're going to paste that pixel code right in here. So copy and paste. You can see I already have one installed. And then once you're done, you're going to come down here, you're going to hit save. And that's it. Okay, done. You're good to go. And then what you would do is come back here, enter your website, and then hit send test traffic. And then you hit continue. It's going to say use Facebook. You can skip this, and then boom, right? So if I come back here, I click all data sources. You can see I've done a bunch of test pixels. It's loading here. So anyways, once that loads, you'll start to see activity. So you'll see, on our website, we have total events. And basically what that's telling me is website visitors. People have gone to my website. So what Facebook is going to start to do is, because you've allowed them to essentially track everyone on your website. So as people go over there, Facebook's collecting that data. They're kind of seeing what pages they're looking at, how much time they're spending on there. And then it's matching that person's IP address back to their Facebook profile, so that when you go to run ads, you can actually run ads. We call them retargeting ads. And you can retarget people who visited your website. And the way that you're able to do that is because you have the Facebook Pixel installed, right? Have you ever gone to something, you looked at, I don't know, like for me as a guy, I'm looking at baseball bats, right? So you go to a website, you look at baseball bats, and then next thing you know, you come on Facebook and you're scrolling through your feed or Instagram, and then next thing you know, there's like that same website with baseball bats. Hey, here's a sale, here's a bag, check this one out, right? So that's what they're doing, is they call it pixeling, right? You go to your website, they see you as a visitor, they have a retargeting ad set up, I go back to Facebook, now they're hitting me with their ads because they want me to buy, but they also know that I need to keep interacting with their brand. Otherwise, I'm just going to forget about them, right? So that's what we're doing here. That's the whole purpose and intent of having a pixel. So we have it installed on WordPress. Super simple. Put a plugin in, copy, paste, save, you're done. Now show it. Show it is a little bit more, takes a little more finesse, because they don't have a place to just plug it in and then just, kind of like I did with WordPress. I actually have to put it on each page. So you want to come into your WordPress site, you're going to click what page you like, and then what you're going to do is come over to the right hand side where it says Advanced Settings. And you're going to tap on that, and it's going to say Custom Head HTML Code. And you can see, you click that box, this pops up, and you're going to install this Facebook Pixel code. So you can kind of see we already have this installed here. But you would do the same exact thing, copy, paste, hit save, and then you're going to hit publish on your site. But here's the thing. With Show It, is I actually have to do this in each page. Each page I need to go down, come over to the custom head HTML, and paste it in there. Same thing here. Paste it in there. Every single page. Otherwise, if you just install the pixel just on your home page, you're only going to see data for the people who visit your home page and nothing else. So it's really important to make sure that whenever you create a new page, you're installing that new code. I discovered the other day that you can actually, when it comes to Google Analytics, which is the same thing as Facebook Pixel code, it's just for Google, that there's actually a spot in here, I believe, where you can just put a code one time. But unfortunately, you can't do that with Facebook Pixel. So that's kind of one of those I gotchas, right? I see it all the time. Photographers will ask me about ads or whatever. I'll go to their website, and then I'll immediately, the first thing I'll always check is, hey, are you using Show It? Yes, and then I'll check, and 9 times out of 10, they just have the pixel installed on one of their pages. So they're losing a lot of data. So then what's going to happen is, once you start to get some of that data and you start to collect it, it's going to take a few weeks to really start to get some information, but you can come in here and you can start seeing how many page views you get. And there's a lot of advanced things you can kind of do in here. Things that I don't even use, nor do I really need. But one thing that I really care about is the fact that the data is being collected by Facebook, and when I go to set up ads, that I can create what is called a custom audience. And I'm going to do a separate video on what is a custom audience, why it's so powerful, and then how you can use that in your Facebook ad strategy. But in order to be able to do that, this is step one. So highly, highly encourage you, even if you don't think you're going to run ads in the future, get this set up today, because this, at a very minimum, will help show you, hey, this is how many people are, no kidding, visiting my website. Because if you're not getting a lot of inquiries, then go back, check this number. If it's like 100 people a month, then you're only going to get 0 to 1, maybe 2 inquiries a month if you're lucky. So looking at this is going to really help you narrow down why you're not getting the inquiries, right? Maybe it's a traffic problem, maybe it's a website issue. All right? So that's the Facebook Pixel in a nutshell, the quick down and dirty. So if you got any questions, let me know. Happy to help you. When it comes to the tech stuff, sometimes people get scared. I really want to just make this simple for you and encourage you to just go out and just do it today. Literally, it should take less than 10 minutes. And you'll thank me in the end, especially in the future as you grow. This is going to be absolutely critical and crucial to your business. If you watched to the end, I want to just say thank you for hanging out. Start calling you my video warriors or whatever. I don't know. I'll come up with something funny or creative. If you haven't already, come on over to Facebook group. Join the Booking Lab. Again, it's free. We go in depth with marketing, on how to market your creative business using strategies like this, helping you through the technical stuff, but also showing you things that are no kidding working today and things I've tried. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll see you around in the next video.